Why does your scanner show the P0349 engine code? What does it mean? P0349 is a diagnostic trouble code for Camshaft Position Sensor A, Circuit Intermittent Bank 2. This engine code indicates that the engine's control module has detected an intermittent and improper signal from the camshaft position sensor responsible for monitoring the position of the camshaft on bank 2. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: faulty camshaft position sensor, wiring issues, damaged tone ring, PCM or ECM failure, timing system problems. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford F-150, Toyota, and Chrysler 300 models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.